Okay. Nara ako mga Cherokee shirts good. It's time for my show and tell review. This is one of my favorites po guys. So pakita lang tagka sa ako mga Cherokee shirts I have here. So ibitay gyud na ako na balik ron. Gipaitan biyan ako ni sa Ayala Mall. Kay actually gipaitan ko ni mama ni. May akong second favorite shirt. Tanawa ko, murag gwapo kay siya tanawon no. Nindot takad ko siyang likod pero ang suot raman ako sa front raman ko and kani sa likod ni siya ibilong. I choose gray kay I think this is cool. Kay bagay biya siya sa design like this kay ganan ko gray color. Kay tanaw si Cherokee at the back. He looks perfect. And he doesn't have a scar, without a scar. And he's lucky. And I'm lucky too. Kaniya gid akong ganahan. May first favorite po. Muna akong gisuoton ako always all the time lang yun guys. Joyas nindot kid kayo. Pero I prefer like brush gaming shirt pero always been ako ni wear all the time. But it's good po. Ganang ko na always suoton ako every time. But it depends lang gid ko na what shirt I should wear. I prefer kanina lang akong suoton. So yeah. So yun na ako eh. Muna akong first shirt. First shirt na ko. And my ultimate favorite na ko na shirt good, na Cherokee shirt good akong ganahan. It's my uncle gift for me. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, muna akong ganahan ako na shirt good yata sa akong tito. Oh my god, this is so epic talaga good. Pero wala siya design at the back. Pero yeah. Shoutout kay Tito Rodel. Thank you for giving me this. For giving me a real gift. And I'm so happy to having this shirt. So, always been ako wear all the time lang yun ko by wall nato ko sa, maten kong next event. But, I'm gonna wear this every single day kung maglakaw ko sa asa na Maladon. Okay, so, sige, pwede na lang ako na ikuan by which one is the better shirt, like first or kanang third into first or first into third. So, akong first na shirt akong ganahan will be this one. Kay this one shirt kay it looks like kanang so cool. But I prefer this is my first shirt akong ganahan ako isuot na ko all the time. Kay look at this design. Look at this eyes. It looks so cool. And this one is kanang ganahan ko na nakalayo na always kay mo na akong paborito good. So I prefer this as well will be my first shirt good kay dili kay siya mukuan muguba kay kung wash na ko ni siya dili na siya ma-damage kay dili man siya kuan by plastic pero it's made by some kind like a fabric I guess. Pero yeah, it's 100% na Nint King design. Thank you kay Tito Rodel who gave me this. I love this shirt so much. The second shirt will be this one. It looks like kanang color blue thing pero ganang ko na shirt always good kay kabaw kanan no. Nint King design, order na ako sa Shopee. Tapos ang kuanin bay ang nandiri dapit kay nakabutang Shoto and nandiri gyapon Shoto gyapon. And I prefer this one is my kanang second favorite shirt kay ganang ko sa blue color kay I love blue thingy here. And there's the Cherokee design called the Hero Suit Shoto shirt. And mo na akong ganan ako na shirt good always nako wear all the time. And the third one will be the gray one. Siya na lang akong third na lang kay actually kay kanang this shirt kay nindot kay siya tanawon kay gwapo siya tanawon sa likod. But I prefer this shirt is supposed to be my kanang my favorite third shirt kay actually kay ang kanang blue and black kay I prefer first ang kanang black and this one second is the blue one. He's gotta be my third one. It's still my favorite gapon kay without a scar man pero happy ko na ganahan ko ni na shirt. Kipalit na ko na siya sa Ayala Mall also good. Pero not just three of them. I got this one. Pang cosplay shirt, good. I'm gonna show you this why I'm wearing this shirt right now here. Kanisha guys, kanang what I'm wearing, ano nagsuot ko nin that na shirt good. Kanisha, pang cosplay ni, pang Shoto cosplay ni, naka-wear ko sports uniform. But you can see here na naka-wear ko kanang sports uni. Pag kuan ko ba yung nag-wear ko sports uniform outfit, i-zipper ba yan ako ni kay ako pakita sa mga friends like this. Dayon nara ako ang cosplay shirt na lang na ako ning duwa. Cosplay shirt. Dayon muta gilaban ni mama na ako. Okay, ako unta maglaban ni. E mo ni akong kuan bay, another like this one. Para sa kuan bay, narang sports uniform, narang ice diri. Pero kani siyang duwa guys, pang cosplay ni siya, pang cosplay. Kay inana mangi ko sa like this kay na ako i-picture ana yun i-upload ako sa FB. Dayon right now guys, I need to tell you lang something lang ko muna for all about to shirt good kanang for me lang good kay happy gid ko. I'm huge fan of Shoto Todoroki. Kay ganahan ko siya hang ice and fire powers kay favorite na ko na element since bata pa ko. Kay kanang I prefer like kanang yung element ako na ganan ako fire power. Pero dili si Zuko si Johnny Storm from Fantastic Four, and the ice powers kay kuan biya ba will be si Elsa from Frozen and Iceman from Mega Man powered up. The good one character sa Mega Man. And hilig kasi ako sa ice powers, good for real. So, ang fire powers ang hilig na ako before kay si Johnny Storm. Kay paborito biyan ako siya sa Fantastic Four. Kay siya biya akong ganan ako na character na fire powers lang good by. Pero hilig kasi ako sa element of fire. Kay ninutan biya ako sa fire powers kay makakos na siya og kanang super duper strong damage of cause of warm heat. So, not just Johnny Storm. Fire is my favorite element since I was a kid. Kay kabaw naman warm heat, super duper strong damage, and then the fire powers, it's so very very strong good talaga good. But the ice powers, favorite ko yung element gyapon. Siya akong favorite na element like kana my second favorite element na ice kay hilig kasi ako sa cold, hilig kasi ako sa ice powers, and then yung ice kay feel kay ko ganan ko maging isa akong cold person and cold na area. Hilig kasi ako sa cold area, like mag under aircon, and hilig kay ko cold, and hilig kasi ako sa mga ice and snow. Yeah, I love ice good so much. Ganan gid ko ice good pag bata pa ko sa una. So not just superheroes na ice and fire, hilig ako sa ice and fire element since bata pa ko. Yeah, that's my favorite element. Ice and fire po akong favorite na element. So that's why nang gi-choose na ko si Shoto kay naganahan ko siya hang storyline and the character look, and Ice and Fire hero, he's my number one favorite po. So mora to guys kay namara ko mga Todoroki shirts I have in my room, pero I prefer lang guys kabaw naman mo everything about I'm the huge fan of Todoroki Shoto. Pero yeah, but I understand about how I feel na nung ganahan ko ni this character, but this is perfect. This one is super duper perfect. And then there you go. I bought that one. And also kanang kuan miya bay na happy lang ko always. Oh yeah, and I almost don't forget. Nara yung mga buddies niya si Izuku Midoriya, and that's me, and then that guy right there, Katsuki Bakugo. Izuku is like super strong, Katsuki is super strong, and this one is super duper strong. Shoto gid akong paborito na ako good for the rest of my life lang good. And then Shiroki Funko Pop, Shiroki na Warhammer, and this is fake, and I'm gonna buy a real one. I gotta say guys, I'm always love Shoto Todoroki. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Wait a second, where did I put my... Oh, there you are. My buddy here.
I got my babies here.